Example. This circuit is given. First we naming the circuit. Now we flow the current I. Here the current divides, so here goes I1 and I2. This I1 and I2 combine, and in this direction again we get a current I. Now we assume the potential difference across 6 ohm is V1 and across 3 ohm is V2, and this 3 ohm is V3. So first we naming the circuit, after that we put the value of show the current, and then we indicates the potential difference across each. First step, here we calculate the total resistance between A and C. At A the current is I, at C the current is I, so the circuit is in series, and in series the parallel difference combination is come. So first we solve the parallel. Resistance between A and B, they are in parallel, so we use the parallel formula. 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. 6 is there, 1 plus 2, 3 upon 6, R is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2 ohm. This is equal to 2 ohm. Now resistance between A and C, R dash RAB plus RBC. This we calculated 2, this is 3, and the total resistance became 5 ohm. The total resistance became 5 ohm. Now we calculate the current, total current. Second step. Let it be I. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. We want to calculate I, and then we got the resistance value is 5. Then I is equal to 15 upon 5 is equal to 3 ampere. After that we calculate the potential difference across each resistance. Because 6 ohm and 3 ohm are in parallel, so V1 is equal to V2, because in parallel the potential difference remains same and the current became different. By Ohm's law, V1, we calculate the value of I is 3. The value of resistance is, I think we got the value of resistance is 2. Then V1 is equal to 6 volt. By this we got the value of V1 is 6. Now third step, current across 6 ohm by Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Here V is 6. I1, we want to calculate, resistance is 6. I1 is equal to 1 ampere. But I is equal to I1 plus I2. 3 is equal to 1 plus I2. I2 is equal to 2 ampere. Now we calculate the value of I2, which is becomes I2 is equal to 2 ampere. Now we calculate the V3. V3 is equal to I into resistance between B and C. V3 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9 volt. Because the circuit is in series, so current in C portion is equal to I, which is 3 ampere.